On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project interacting Viper contract section of the module. We're going to pick up with some light reading, so let's dive right in. The next section we'll be going over is the Titanoboa with Anvil. Basically, we have learned the main learning points of this section, using a BOA library to interact with our Viper contracts, and how to use the retrieve and store functions to view and update our favorite number. We also learn how to use print statements to debug our contract and see what is happening during execution. We also learn the difference between the Pi EVM and BOA backends and how they handle data persistence. Now we can move forward and learn how Titanoboa works with real networks. If we want to use real accounts, we'll have to modify our deploy favorites pievm.py file to use our own account and sign transactions by our own private key. We will also need to modify our favorites.py contract file to remove the print statement we added to the store function. First thing we need to do is create a new file called deployfavorites.py in our project folder. The next thing we will do is copy some of the boilerplate code from our deploy favorites evm.py file into our deploy favorites.py file. We will copy the define main function line, the code inside it, and the if main equals main line, and the code inside the main function. The next thing we want to do is run this new script to ensure everything is running and working properly. Now tomorrow we're going to go back inside of our actual contracts, and I'm going to show you the new file that we created, the deploy favorites.py file, and we're going to test it out to see if it's still working properly when we run it. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.